Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ads in the new Google AdWords interface and what you should write in your ads to get the most click-throughs. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ads in the new Google AdWords interface. Now, if you like videos like this, then please don't forget to subscribe and you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload similar videos like this one. So let's get started. So here I am in my AdWords interface. You go on the left hand side, select the campaign you want to create ads in. Then you create your ad group and then go to your ads and extensions. So in here, as the ads is in blue, you've got two buttons where you can create an ad. One is the plus, but the circular plus one on the left hand side, and one over here which says create the ad. Both of them do the same thing. So I click on the create button. Now you get an option. You want to create a text ad or a call only ad. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text ad. You select the text ad. Now you see this new interface. First of all, you need to put in your final URL. This is the landing page where the click goes through. So I'm going to put in my website and I want to drive traffic to my blog, let's say, for example. So I will put in blog. I will not just put in the home page. So whatever that particular landing page is, you need to enter that one. So next you have got the two headlines. This is the expanded ads. Headline 1, headline 2, and then we've got a description as well. On the right hand side you can see the preview. This is for the mobile, and then if you click on this little arrow, you can see the desktop version as well. But because we haven't got anything written on the headline 1 and 2, nothing is showing up over here. Now you need to start writing your headline 1 and headline 2. You've got a maximum character limit of 30 characters on each one of the headlines and then 80 characters on the description. So you need to be very creative when writing the ads. So let's show you what you need to include in your ads. And I made a list over here as to how to write your best ever ad. The first one, include the keyword or the phrase, is very important. Because if somebody is searching for a particular product or service and they see that exact keyword or product or service on the ad, you are most likely to get the click. Try and include the benefit, a feature, any guarantees, so things like money back guarantee or 30-day money back warranties, etc. Now I know we have got very limited amount of characters to play with, but these can all be included if you put your mind to it, and you'll be able to create a really good ad. Always include a call to action, and this is normally referred to as a CTA. A call to action could be buy now, sign up now, download, or any other kind of action you want the visitor to take when they visit your website. You can't use click here. If you put in click here or click now on your ads, it will get disapproved by Google. So it's against their terms of use. So never use the word click on your ads. Including the price is a great idea because it will then qualify your audience or the visitors to your website. So if you are selling something for, let's say, £100 and somebody can afford £100, then they may click on your ad. But if that person looking at your ad thinks that £100 is too expensive, they won't click the ad. So you will save money and you will not attract untargeted traffic. A lot of businesses and business owners I speak to, they tend not to include the price, but price is a great way to qualify or pre-qualify your audience before they come through to your website. The other very important word in your ad is the word free. It gets the most clicks, and I'm sure you offer free consultation or free meeting or anything before you make the sale. So the word free or a free offer will get the most clicks. But if you got some other free items like an ebook, videos, training, or some samples, then do include these in your ad as well. I would always research my competitors' ads and landing pages before I write my ads. So you can see what others are writing and why they are writing such an ad and what are they offering. Another very powerful word is the word you. What's in it for them, not us. So it's all about the customer. So if you were offering a software, then you should write start your free trial. Or all you need is whatever. So these words really do affect and increase your CTR and get the most clicks on your ads. So let's go back to our Google AdWords interface. So let's write an actual ad. I'll remove that one. I'm going to write an ad for one of my AdWords courses. So it's a video course which I offer for free. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to write are you struggling with AdWords? Now I've gone over. Okay. Okay, I can't put any question mark, so I'm gonna go with struggling with Google AdWords. Now you also need to take into account any trademarks. You can bid on them, but you can't use it in any of your ads. But as I am a Google partner, it will be approved and allowed to run. Okay, learn, and now I'm going to put in the offer free video training. Watch here. Okay, again it's too long. Okay, I'm gonna come back to headline 2 in a second. Now the display path is where you can also utilize a bit more of the keywords in your ad. So I can put in either free video course or something like that. Free video, or I'll do free AdWords video course. So I'm well within my character count, so I've got 12 and 12 over here, so that looks good. And now I need to put in the description as to what this offer is all about. So let's say learn ninja tips to improve your AdWords campaign. Now you would have noticed that I am using capitals on each of the words, and that is, I would recommend you also do that because it makes your ad stand out, and it is as per Google's best practices. So always, you can't use all capitals throughout the description or the headlines. That will again get disapproved. But you can use a single capital letter at the front of each word. Okay, I have put in the word free over there, so that is fine. To improve your AdWords campaign with a simple 20-minute workflow. I've just gone over. Okay, so I can take out, or I can put it like that. If it doesn't look good, I can just keep it as it is. So I'm happy with that. I can see how it reads: struggling with Google AdWords, free video training, learn ninja tips to improve your AdWords campaign with a simple workflow. And it looks good on the mobile version as well. And then all you need to do is to save new and select your ad group. Now you have a choice of two ads. One is the prominent and one is the compact. I would always go with the prominent because it is a bit bigger, and you can then add all your other extensions like the call out extensions over here to your ad. So each call out extension has got up to a maximum of 25 characters. All the ad extensions I'm going to cover in other videos, so I just wanted to show you how to write the ad and what to write in your ads for your AdWords campaign. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.